Future dreaming is a gift not only for humanity, it's actually a gift for the entire ecosystem that we affect. Because as we show up with a better sense of ourselves and a better sense of our engagement at our essential nature with the world around us and with the ecosystem in which we operate, our impact on that ecosystem is going to change. That means we're going to show up better. And if we show up better, that means a world which we've historically seen as something over which we have dominion and over which we have control is actually going to get to breathe, and it's going to dance, and it's going to engage with us rather than being imposed on by us. So it's actually humanity's shot at redeeming our own reputation with the ecosystem that we live in. We are part of a big system. And by the way, not limited to Earth. We're part of an enormous system. And if we take all of the energy that's available to us in that system and say, let's not harness it and capture it, let's put ourselves in the flow of it.